Right, so bit of a different project. Nothing to do with anything I normally do. Got two bikes. One's a Sun from a Worksop bike. It's currently just on a 10 speed. I've got a Hercules ladies commuter bike with a 3 speed in the back of it. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the Drolly bike. I want a 3 speed again. I used to have one about 2 years ago, but it got pinched. The bike was blue. This one's blue also, so I'm going to get to stripping both these bikes down. The only thing I'm going to really use off the Hercules is the 3 speed. That's all I'm really interested off of it. The rest of the bits will go, basically just get eBayed. The bike's not worth anything. I bought a pair for £40. The On a Mission bike I actually paid £100 for. I don't like it. It's the right size for me. It's got old wheels on it. The choice of tyres is very limited. Daily is quite old. It's a serviceable bike, but I just don't like the ergonomics of it, the way it rides, the way it's set up at the moment. So she's going to get 3 speeded. It's got the right gear ratio at the back for changing over to 700c wheels. I'm going to go with Mavics again. I seem to like my Mavic. My old tyres I had were Continentals, and I had the rims were A119s. So I'm going to see if I can get a pair of those again, see if I can replicate it, and I'm probably going to see if I can get a strong light crankset for this as well. I don't like the crankset on it. New pedals, new seat. I'm going to go for a Brooks again, and we'll go from there. Anyway, let it begin. So I'm going to take the cables off first. when I said scrap, I'm going to take off every usable item that I can that's usable, anything I can salvage. That way I won't have to buy anything if I need anything in future. Plus I don't believe in throwing things away. Right, that's the front brake off. Shimano Tourings, quite old ones. These are just held on with 10mm nuts. One thing that did make me giggle when I first got this bike is what use is the mudguard that's 250mm long or 10 inches. Absolutely pointless. It's not going to protect anything really. Put them on eBay and see if they sell. It wouldn't be somebody like me buying them, that is definitely for sure. Wheels out. Strip the rest off. Those two wheels we'll address a bit later. Cup of tea on the go. Must have. I do have a chain splitter, but as I am not going to be using this chain ever again, right, so chain's off, back neck's off as well. I was going to take both the pedals off. Got to take the crankset off as well. I will be putting a different bottom bracket in this. We're going for a Shimano or something like that. Taper roller bearing if the budget will allow. I've tried undoing this pedal, it comes undone. This one is not. There's no chance it's going to come off. It's actually seized in. And I'm not going to waste time on it. So we'll just have the crank arms off instead. And really, that's as far as I've got up to at the moment. Don't have a crank puller, so it's going to be interesting. And you get to that point when you think, it's actually not such a bad crank, to be honest. So I think I'll have it off because I'm not totally pleased with it. Not 100% anyway. Right. Pondering really. Ideally I do want strong light, but yeah, I think I'm just going to stick to the original plan, go with the strong light one. So there we are. So we'll go from this side first. Got a 14 in here. Keep it this way, then you guys can see what I'm doing. The inevitable is going to have to be hammered off with a punch. Tool of choice, the drift. I'm going to have to try and smack it for here, fade in that, and give it a bit of a warm up on the end. Expand it, should come off a bit easier, but I'm going to give it a tap first, see if it wants to come before we have to get some heat onto it. Well, that's one down. Not with much finesse, I must admit. Two. So, no damage to these, nothing that can't be polished out anyway. but as I say, I don't really want to use them. They're actually Japan SRs, so it does look quite nice, but I think what's happened is someone's actually ground the old chain set off the top, which is why I'm not really fancying it. I don't think the gear wrench is going to be correct for what I want to use on this bike, so but we'll see. They're definitely worth eBaying. Definitely worth eBaying. So we'll keep them to one side. Just got a box to put all the bits in. I've actually already got some other bits in the car. It's been sat in there for quite a while. I've just not got around to doing it. Have a look at that bottom bracket. Very notchy anyway, so it's something I want to address. Going to leave the bottom bracket. No, I'm not. Let's get that off. I'm not going to the point of taking forks out of this. It is going to be very much a proof of concept to start with. Get all my bits bought. Going to go with mustache or road normal bars. Something I didn't address earlier. Don't like dropped handlebars, not for normal road use. I'm not a racer. My Doors Galaxy, Super Galaxy's got drops on it. I don't really like them. It's not my preferred choice at all. 88J. Cleaned up, that could probably be reused. That's one side in. Get this side out, there's two flats. Which that is going to have to wait. Like everything, got the tools, but they're that one is definitely lent out at the minute. I know I haven't got it here. With lockdown, I don't think I'm going to be getting it anytime soon either. So I'll ignore that for now. Let's take the bottom cable follower. For the age of this bike, I'm surprised it's in a good condition as it is, to be honest. It's the first bike that I actually bought after my other bike had got stolen. Bit of a bad purchase, really. Shouldn't have bought it. Should have gone for a something that I actually wanted. Always wanted a Super Galaxy. Had to travel halfway up the country to get it because I wanted a specific one. Plenty of Galaxies about, but a lot of them the prices were a little bit mad, to be honest. Just how much people want for second-hand bikes. Appreciate that they have a monetary value. Some people seem to think that things are worth far more than they actually are worth. Spanner.
lovely terminal spanner, the one that always goes missing. I've been doing projects on cars and paramotors for one time. That's something I chose to give up. Pretty sharpish, very expensive hobby, and very dangerous. But getting back to the terminal spanner, always seems to go missing. Like the sockets that I've got here, it has actually got 2 10s in it. Neither of them have gone missing as yet, which I'm quite surprised. This toolkit I've got here has also got 2 in it. As a minimum, I can guarantee that we'll be working and one of them will go missing. It's never the 8, never the 17 or the 19, it's always the terminal spanner that seems to go. Just remove the rack. We appear to have run into a bit of a problem. The cup is empty and stone cold. Normally I get them a systemated one, but as it's a working week, I've got it. Right, that's as far as I'm going with that. It might get painted a different colour yet. Someone's painted the lugs, and the bottom of the chain stays red, which I don't really like. I don't really like the on emission stickers, but it's kind of been on there since I got it, so it's goes with the rest of the bike's team, I suppose. So I'll leave it there for this one. And if you like what I'm doing, want to see some more, like and subscribe. I think that's a usual thing to say. But, anyway, that's it for now, and thanks for watching.